Hello dear student, sorry for this after meeting a long period of time. Now we have to discuss about trigonometry chapter class 10th. In the previous section you have already read about trigonometry. Some concept you have to be read now at the digital board. You can see this. In case of trigonometry, some points you have to be made necessary. Like that, first point is, in case of trigonometry, you can see about this is right angle triangle. Right angle triangle is that in which first angle, or you can say about only one angle can be 90 degree and other will be acute angle. You can study about trigonometry. This is right angle triangle. In case of trigonometry, always right angle triangle is to be used in generally. This is right angle triangle. You can see about angle at angle B. Angle B is 90 degree, but angle A and angle C will be acute angle. Acute angle, what is this? Acute angle is always greater than 0 degree, but less than 90 degree. But right angle is always particular 90 degree, especially this is right angle triangle, but at B you can see about this angle B will be 90 degree and angle A and angle C will be acute angle. This is less than 90 degree, this is less than 90 degree. So you can now see this is right angle triangle. First point, this is right angle triangle. In case of trigonometry, always right angle triangle is to be used, generally class 10. In trigonometry, always you have to be used right angle triangle in class 10. In the case of trigonometry, sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, cosec theta. What is theta? What is theta? Theta is acute angle. Theta is acute angle. You can write this at this place, or maybe you have other option at this place. But at same time, theta will not be present at both places. So I have rubbed to one angle. Now you can see that theta is, we see about only one place. This is theta. Acute angle less than 90 degree. In front side of acute angle like that theta, we information give about theta. The in front side about theta in the triangle, you know that there is three sides. First is AB, second is ABC, third is CA. So first side in front the angle theta, this is perpendicular. This is perpendicular. This is perpendicular. But hypotenuse is the longest side. In front the 90 degree angle. So hypotenuse will be AC. Hypotenuse will be AC. Now third side will be what? This is base. This is base. Now three sides we have to write this: perpendicular, base, hypotenuse. And you give information theta about theta. Theta is what? Theta is acute angle. You always remember that. 90 degree we have already discussed. So this point have to be clear. Now we have to focus. Next question. These point we have to study in the previous lecture number 1 trigonometry. After few months ago, like that. Before 3 months ago, I sent this lecture. If you see this lecture, then already first you see that lecture which have studied in the previous section before 3 months ago. Now we discuss about this question. In a right angle triangle ABC, you can see about that this is right angle triangle ABC, but right angle at B. Now this point is misses. Now we write this. If in a right angle triangle ABC, this is right angle triangle ABC, but right angle at B. Right angle at B. Angle B will be 90 degree. Angle B will be 90 degree. But angle A, angle C will be acute angle. You know that in the previous section. Now we have to rub this because place will be small.
ऐसे कर लीजिए, दोनों उंगली से इधर कर लीजिए, बोर्ड इधर आ जाए, दो उंगली नहीं आना चाहिए।
In a right angle triangle ABC at B, sin theta is given a square minus b square upon a square plus b square. You know that hypotenuse is the longest side. If there is two number, if first is a, second is b, then we know that a minus b and a plus b, which is greater? A minus b and a plus b. We can say that if a and b are positive number, we can say that a plus b will be greater than a minus b. So we can say that a plus b will be greater than a minus b. So hypotenuse will be this, a plus b, not a minus b. But in our question, a square minus b square and a square plus b square will be present. So now we discuss about a square minus b square and a square plus b square. Now we have to choose the other color. A square plus b square and a square minus b square. A square plus b square will be greater than a square minus b square. So we can say that this is the greater side and this is the smaller side. And sin theta is given a square minus b square. What is the theta? Now we choose the theta in that triangle. Theta you choose at what place? At A, at C. You can choose at both. You may be free at A, at C, or any other your choice. Now we can write theta at this place. So we can say that if we follow according to theta, then this AB side in front of this, we can say that AB side in front of this is the perpendicular. This is the perpendicular. This is the base. This is the base. In front side of this is the longest side. This is hypotenuse. This is hypotenuse. This is hypotenuse. So sin theta is given by a square minus b square upon a square plus b square. Now we write first sin theta is a square minus b square upon a square plus b square. Now we can write a square minus b square, a square plus b square. Sin, you know that in the previous section, the formula of sin theta will what? Perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Now perpendicular will be what? A square minus b square, and hypotenuse what? A square plus b square. You can clearly see about perpendicular is a square minus b square and hypotenuse will be a square plus b square. This is the ratio, but this is the not actual value of perpendicular because this is the ratio. But we can suppose that for easiness, perpendicular is a square minus b square and hypotenuse will be a square plus b square. Now we suppose that perpendicular is a square minus b square, and hypotenuse will be, this is the hypotenuse, longest side, a square plus b square. What will be base? What will be base? Now we use the Pythagoras theorem. Now we use the Pythagoras theorem. By using the Pythagoras theorem, we can calculate the base. We can calculate the base. This is the easiest topic. Now we calculate the base by using Pythagoras theorem. By using Pythagoras theorem. What is the Pythagoras theorem? What is the Pythagoras theorem? What is the Pythagoras theorem? Pythagoras theorem you have learned about class 8 and 9. Hypotenuse, now we write in short way. Hypotenuse square is equal to, hypotenuse square is equal to, hypotenuse square is equal to, hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. Now if we put the value perpendicular, what is this? A square minus b square. So perpendicular, at the place of perpendicular we can put a square minus b square. So at the place of perpendicular we can put a square minus b square. A square minus b square.
टच कर दीजिए उस टाइम में.
A square minus b square. Now base we have to be find. Base in short way we write only b. Base square. Hypotenuse, what is this? You can see hypotenuse is a square plus b square. This is the longest side. A square plus b square whole square. Now we again solve a plus b whole square formula. You have learned in the previous section class 8. What is a plus b whole square? A plus b, this is capital A, this is capital B. A plus b total whole square, what is this? A plus b whole square, a square. What is A? A is at the place of A, we can put a square. A square we can put at the place of A, we can put a square, but a square, now this will be a to the power 4 plus b square. What is b? B is this, but when we do the square b square, then this will be b to the power 4 plus a square plus b square plus 2a, 2a. And what is the place of a square into b square. This is the full explanation of a square plus b square total whole square. Base square plus, now we explain this. This is the formula of a minus b total whole square. A minus b total whole square. Now explain. What is the place of a square? Now we do a square. This will be a square. Again we do square. This will be a to the power 4 plus a minus b whole square, a square plus b square. B square again square. This will be b to the power 4 minus 2ab, minus 2 into a into b. Now we can see that a to the power 4 will be positive number. A to the power 4 will be positive number. Now we transfer the a to the power 4. This will be minus. Now in short way you can cancel about shortly. But now we do this. A to the power 4 the power 4, a to the power 4, a to the power 4. This will be positive number, a to the power 4. Now this a to the power 4 will be transpose, minus a to the power 4, plus this will be b to the power 4. Now again b to the power 4 will be transpose in left side, b to the power 4, plus 2a square b square minus 2a square b square will be transposed. What will be? Then this will be minus sign converted into positive sign, plus 2a square b square, 2a square b square. Minus 2a square b square. After transposing this will be sign converted minus into plus. Now only alone b square will be present. A square, a to the power 4, a to the power 4 cancel out, b to the power 4, b to the power cancel out. This will be, now we see that this is the same value, this is the same value, a square b square, a square b square, but this is plus 2, this is plus 2. After mixing this will be 4a square b square, because you know that plus 2 after combining this plus 4. This will be base square, this will be base square. Now you calculate base, not b square. So what will be base? Square will be converted in the under root. Now this will be 4a square b square. You know that the answer of under root, this will be can be positive, this will be can be negative, but you know that the length of any side cannot be negative. Length of any side cannot be negative. You cannot take the minus sign in this question because base is the length and length cannot be negative. So you can always take positive sign. This is not, you conclude minus sign. This will be plus 4, the under root of 4, this will be 2. You know that a square under root, square under root will be cancelled out. This will be a, this will be b, this will be base, this will be base, this will be base. Now base you have to be calculated. This will be 2a square, 2a square. Base will be calculated 2a square, 2a square b square, 2a square b square, 2ab. 2ab. Base will be calculated 2ab. Now you can see about in the question there will be have to be asked cos theta, sec theta, cos theta. What is it? Now we first calculated cos theta. Now you calculated cos theta. What will be cos theta? According to theta, you know that this is perpendicular, this is base, this is the hypotenuse. But the formula of cos theta, this will be base upon hypotenuse. This will be base upon hypotenuse. What will be base? You can see this. Base will be 2ab. What will be hypotenuse? Hypotenuse will be a square plus b square. Some type of student will be cancel out a and a, but this is wrong because in this case this will be plus sign is used. We cannot cut out a and a square. This will be final answer of cos theta. This will be final answer of cos theta. Now, if we calculated about sec theta, Second, if we calculated about sec theta, this will be just opposite of cos theta. What is the formula of this? Hypotenuse upon base. You can see about the answer of cos theta, we reverse this. If you cannot do this, then you can use the formula hypotenuse upon base. What is the hypotenuse? Hypotenuse will be a square plus b square upon 2ab. Now third point will be cot theta. Third point will be cot theta. You can calculate cot theta. What will be cot theta? Cot theta formula, this will be based upon hypotenuse. You can see, you can talk about blood pressure, BP. The cot theta formula, BP, based upon perpendicular. What is base? Base will be 2ab. Perpendicular a square minus b square. What will be tan theta? What will be tan theta? What will be tan theta? Just opposite. Tan theta will be just opposite of cot theta. Tan theta will be just opposite of cot theta. What is the formula of tan theta? P by b, perpendicular upon base. You can see this 2ab upon a square minus b square. Now we reverse this. A square minus b square upon 2ab. If we see about cosec theta, what will be cosec theta? This will be just opposite of sin theta. Sin theta formula P by H. Sin theta formula P by H. But the formula of cosec theta is the H by P, hypotenuse upon perpendicular. What will be hypotenuse? Hypotenuse will be a square upon a square plus b square upon perpendicular a square minus b square. Now there again, if we calculate about other trigonometric ratios, if single have to be remaining, sin theta, cos theta, cot theta, tan theta, cot theta, tan theta, cot theta, cos theta, sec theta, sin theta, cos theta. Now total have to be calculated.
Sin theta.
No, sin theta in the previous question, sin theta always again discuss about. So we cannot calculate sin theta, cosec theta we have to calculate it. In the question sin theta is given. So this lecture have to be closed. This will be short lecture. Now we again meet in the next episode. Please subscribe and like this.